It flies! It is an absolute slush fest out here today. Check out this little jump right here. Yeah. Sure, the camera did an awful job of picking that up. All right, today's goal is going to be working on getting some cooler shots. I really didn't like the helmet cam stuff when I locked it up here. So, which I'd never done that before. Like, I've done GoPro stuff for a long time, but I never actually put it on the helmet. I don't think I like it. It just doesn't capture very well. And put it on your chest with the snowboard just doesn't work out that well, so. I moved here a long time ago, and then I left for several years. And coming back, it's just like, it's night and day. And it's just like, I'm so happy that I did it, and it's just all smiles. I know you don't see me smiling under here, but oftentimes, even not on camera, I just got a smile on my face because it's so much fun. And we are back at the car with just a awesome day of riding. It's hot. Fun day. And we're gonna go do some work, and then yeah, maybe we'll do, I got a drone I just got, and I'm gonna go fly that and see if we can have some fun with that. I'll probably film it too, so I'll see you then. Alrighty, so I have my drone with me. I've never flown it outside. I've barely even touched it inside. And I got a little bit of time right now. We're running out of daylight, so we're kind of in a hurry to maybe find a spot that we can load it up and see if it flies, first of all, because I don't know. Alright, we made it out here. I wasn't sure of a good place to fly the drone. I have the drone with me in the backpack, but we're running out of light. I'm looking for some light. And I forgot my hiking boots, so guess what? Snowboard boots. That's alright, we're gonna make do. They work good. Alright. Seems to be as good a spot as any.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle 1. Switch warning.
It flies! It flies! I thought the snow would be soft and it's cool, but it really just filled it up.
Telemetry lost.
Alright. How cool was that? Alright, it totally flies. This is an FPV drone and I am trying to fly it without the camera. But it did pretty good. That was surprising. Better than I thought. I am going to do it in less wet conditions. I thought the snow would be soft and it'd be okay. But really, some snow got packed in here. I'm not too worried about it. I think the electronics are going to be fine. But, yeah, that was cool. That was a first drone flight. I'm going to call that a failure 100%. But a success in the fact that we're finally out here and we finally got to do this, because I built this drone a few weeks back and I've just been waiting on a few things. So that's a win. That is 100% a win. And super fun. Alright, well, it definitely got way wetter than I thought it was gonna get, which obviously in the snow kind of a dumb move, but I really wanted just to get it out here and see how it did. And it turns on, everything works, receiver works with it, the controls work, but I do have to get going. This was just a quick stop, and you can see the sun is just barely out of the mountain, but cool. That was fun. All right, where are we at? I gotta get back to the car. Yeah, it's gonna be super fun, and I'm gonna have tons of videos. We're just getting started, and I'm just gonna explore everything that Tahoe has to offer, from, you know, drone footage, to hanging out on the lake. Of course, if you saw the snowboarding, of course we're doing that. I'm trying to get a paddle board. We're gonna do some of that. It's gonna get epic with all the drone shots, and as I get better at filming, it's just gonna be super fun. So I definitely recommend you guys stick around. Things are only gonna get better, and it's gonna be super fun. So I'll see ya.